Welcome to the breathtaking Lofoten Islands, a place where towering peaks meet the deep blue Arctic Ocean, where golden beaches stretch beneath the midnight sun, and where the northern lights dance across the winter sky. Located above the Arctic Circle in northern Norway, Lofoten is one of the most spectacular destinations on Earth. This magical archipelago is known for its dramatic landscapes, rich Viking history, and incredible outdoor adventures. Whether you're here to chase the northern lights, hike to breathtaking viewpoints, explore charming fishing villages, or simply soak in the raw beauty of the Arctic, Lofoten has something for everyone. Here's a detailed look at the top 10 tourist attraction in the Lofoten Islands. 1. Reine is one of the most iconic villages in Norway, often referred to as one of the most picturesque places in the world. Surrounded by majestic mountains and pristine waters, Reine's charm lies in its traditional red fishing cabins, rober, set against the backdrop of dramatic peaks. The village offers fantastic hiking opportunities, including the Reinebringen hike, which rewards you with panoramic views of the surrounding islands and fjords. Reine is a perfect destination for photography, offering stunning views at every turn. 2. Fjord is a narrow, steep-sided fjord, famous for its dramatic landscape and the surrounding cliffs that rise straight out of the water. It is accessible by boat, where visitors can enjoy a peaceful cruise through its waters while taking in the surrounding mountains and looking out for wildlife, such as sea eagles. The fjord's towering cliffs and narrow width give it a mystical and awe-inspiring atmosphere. It's a must-visit for those looking to experience the raw beauty of Lofoten. 3. Hokland Beach is a stunning beach in Lofoten, with its fine white sand and striking turquoise waters. The beach is framed by towering mountains, creating a dramatic contrast with the soft sand. It's ideal for hiking, as it's located near the starting point of several trails, including the hike to the peak of the mountain behind the beach, which offers sweeping views of the surrounding islands. Hokland is a great place to relax, enjoy the outdoors, and capture the beauty of Lofoten. 4. Unstad Beach is a popular destination for surfers, offering the rare opportunity to surf in the Arctic Circle. The beach is known for its powerful waves, which attract surfers from around the world. Even if you're not a surfer, the beach is worth visiting for its stunning beauty, with steep cliffs surrounding the shore and a tranquil atmosphere. Unstad also offers scenic hikes and opportunities to enjoy the rugged landscape. In winter, it's possible to spot the northern lights, adding another magical element to this already extraordinary place. 5. Henningsvær is a small, lively fishing village located on several islands, known for its picturesque setting and vibrant art scene. The village is surrounded by dramatic mountain peaks and has a variety of art galleries and local shops. One of its most famous features is the Henningsvær football stadium, located on a small island with views of the ocean and mountains, one of the most scenic football fields in the world. Henningsvær is perfect for strolling around, with cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and a relaxed atmosphere. 6. Svolvær is the largest town in the Lofoten Islands, offering a good base for exploring the region. The town has a rich history, and it's home to the iconic Svolvær rock formation, a popular climbing spot for adventurers. Svolvær also offers boat tours, deep-sea fishing, and opportunities to explore nearby islands. A highlight is the Lofoten War Memorial Museum, which gives insight into the island's role during World War II. The town's location makes it an excellent starting point for trips to nearby attractions and is also a great place to try local seafood. 7. Kvalvika Beach is a hidden gem, known for its pristine golden sand and turquoise waters, nestled between towering mountains. It is accessible by a scenic hike from the village of Fredvang, which takes about an hour, and the views along the way are breathtaking. The beach is a perfect place for relaxing, photography, or even camping under the midnight sun in summer. Its remote location ensures it remains tranquil, making it a serene escape for nature lovers. 8. Lofoten Viking Museum located in Borg. The Lofoten Viking Museum is one of the best places to immerse yourself in the region's Viking history. The museum features a reconstructed Viking longhouse, based on archaeological finds, where visitors can experience life as the Vikings did. There are reenactments, including Viking feasts, traditional crafts, and even Viking sailing on a reconstructed ship. The museum offers interactive exhibits and insights into Viking culture, making it a fascinating stop for history buffs and families alike. 9. A village. At the westernmost tip of the Lofoten Islands lies a small fishing village with a rich cultural history. The village is home to the Norwegian Fishing Village Museum, which showcases the traditional way of life in the Lofoten Islands, focusing on the cod fishing industry that has been central to the region for centuries. The village is a quiet, scenic spot with traditional wooden houses, and it's a great place to learn about the local heritage and enjoy the surrounding landscapes. 10. Fjord is one of the best preserved traditional fishing villages in Lofoten, offering visitors a glimpse into the past. The village's authentic wooden buildings, some over 100 years old, have been maintained as part of the UNESCO World Heritage Conservation. It's a great spot for wandering the cobbled streets, visiting local museums, and learning about the cod fishing industry that shaped the Lofoten Islands. The village's tranquil setting, surrounded by mountains and fjords, makes it an excellent spot for photography and nature walks. These attractions collectively showcase the natural beauty, rich history, and unique experiences that make the Lofoten Islands a must-visit destination for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and culture enthusiasts. From the midnight sun to the northern lights, from the towering mountains to the peaceful fishing villages, this is Lofoten, Norway's Arctic paradise. Let us know your favorite Lofoten Islands destination in the comments.